Once upon a time, in a far-off galaxy, there was a giant planet named Jupiter. Jupiter was the king of all planets, much larger than any of the other planets in its solar system. One day, a tiny spacecraft named Juno was sent from Earth to explore Jupiter and learn more about this mysterious planet. Juno traveled through the vastness of space for many months and finally reached Jupiter. As Juno approached Jupiter, it was amazed by the beauty of this giant planet. Jupiter was covered in swirling clouds of many different colors, and it had a bright red spot on its surface that was actually a giant storm, much larger than the size of Earth. Juno orbited around Jupiter, taking pictures and gathering data. It soon discovered that Jupiter was much more than just a beautiful planet. It had a strong magnetic field that was so powerful that it could pull in passing asteroids and comets, preventing them from hitting other planets in the solar system. But Jupiter also had a dark side. It was surrounded by a dangerous ring of debris, called the Jupiter Trojan asteroids, that threatened to collide with other planets and even with Juno itself. Despite these dangers, Juno continued its mission, exploring Jupiter and sending back valuable information to scientists on Earth. And it was because of Juno's bravery that we now know so much about this mysterious and fascinating planet. The story of Jupiter and Juno serves as a cautionary tale, reminding us that even the most beautiful things in the universe can also be dangerous. But with bravery and determination, we can still explore and learn about them. As Juno continued its mission, it discovered that Jupiter had many more secrets to reveal. It found that beneath the swirling clouds was a massive ocean of hydrogen and helium, so large that it could hold all of the planets in our solar system and still have room to spare. But the most astonishing discovery of all was yet to come. Juno discovered that Jupiter had its own set of moons, each one unique and fascinating in its own way. There was Io, the size of the moon, but it was the first celestial body other than Earth to find active volcanoes. Io is covered by volcanoes. Colorful streams of lava wash over its surface, and volcanoes spew sulfur. There was Europa, a moon with a relatively smooth surface, virtually without relief, covered with ice, under which the ocean is hidden. Instead of molten rock, water oozes out of cracks here. This is a whole new kind of geological activity. And there was Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, which was even bigger than the planet Mercury. These moons captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike. They sparked new theories and hypotheses about the formation of our solar system and the possibility of life beyond Earth. As Juno continued its journey, it also encountered challenges. Its instruments were bombarded by intense radiation from Jupiter's strong magnetic field, and it was forced to fly closer to the planet than originally planned. But Juno was a resilient spacecraft, and with the help of its team on Earth, it was able to overcome these obstacles and complete its mission. In the end, Juno's journey to Jupiter was a remarkable feat of engineering and exploration. It taught us so much about this giant planet and inspired future generations to reach for the stars and explore the unknown. So, dear children, remember the story of Jupiter and Juno, and always keep reaching for the stars, for you never know what wonders you might discover.